Hello everyone. I have here my JBL Bluetooth headphone and for some reason it didn't turn on, and I tried to do everything and the power button didn't work for a while, so that you need its only pin like this. I have here my SIM card eject pin, and you need to press the tiny hole here with this pin like this for 20 seconds, and after that press the power on button here. If the pin pressing doesn't work, then you need to do factory reset, and it's also easy to do. You just press this volume up, volume down, and power button here for 30 seconds until the light here, the light here goes to white blink, and then it starts to work. Yeah, now I fixed my own JBL headphone and it works really well. You see the light button here turn on, and now it works, so I can use it now.